Modern attackers use advanced malware beyond simple signatures. In this video, we explore Endpoint Detection and Response, or EDR, a critical defense technology that provides continuous monitoring, behavioral analytics, and rapid response to advanced threats. What exactly is EDR? It's a security technology that continuously monitors and protects endpoints like workstations, laptops, and servers against advanced threats. Unlike traditional antivirus that blocks known malware signatures, EDR offers real-time visibility, behavioral analysis, and active response functions. An EDR platform is comprised of two core components working in tandem. The endpoint agent monitors processes, files, registry, and network activity on the device. It streams this data to the central EDR platform, which aggregates telemetry for analysis, investigation, and response. EDR utilizes behavioral analytics instead of relying solely on known signatures. It focuses on identifying suspicious behavior patterns, such as PowerShell abuse, credential dumping, ransomware behavior, and lateral movement, to detect what attackers are doing, not just what files they use. Threat detection in EDR combines multiple methods for high accuracy. This includes behavioral analytics, threat intelligence, machine learning to detect anomalies at scale, and detection rules using signatures and heuristics. Together, they identify indicators of compromise. Telemetry collection provides the detailed endpoint data EDR platforms need for deep visibility. This data includes process execution details, file and registry activity, network and DNS connections, and user activities such as authentication events and login anomalies. EDR platforms enable active response actions directly from the console to contain incidents. These actions include isolating the endpoint, terminating malicious processes, blocking files across the fleet, and removing persistence mechanisms like suspicious registry keys. Endpoints are primary targets because they offer the most direct path into a network. The attack chain involves initial access, privilege escalation, lateral movement, and ultimately, exfiltration. EDR detects these activities much earlier than traditional antivirus, dramatically reducing attacker dwell time. EDR is a core technology in modern society operations, powering every major defensive function. It is essential for threat hunting, incident response, detection engineering, and ransomware defense. Our key takeaways highlight the importance of EDR architecture for enterprise-wide visibility, behavioral analytics focusing on attacker actions, and threat detection combining multiple techniques for accuracy. Deep telemetry enables full attack reconstruction, and rapid response actions are key for containment.